Ahmed has a business that involves manufacturing products. To finance the cost of manufacturing, he enters an Istisna'a contract with Meethaq. What is Istisna'a? Istisna'a is a contract of sale which the seller undertakes to manufacture or construct specified items according to particular specifications, deliver them to the buyer at a future date. Under Istisna'a, Meethaq pays the sale price of the to-be manufactured items or to-be constructed assets in advance in stages as agreed between Meethaq and the customer. Meethaq can appoint the customer as its agent to sell the manufactured items in the market to the end users at a defined price. Thus, Meethaq will earn the spread between the price of purchase of items from the manufacturer and the price of selling the items in the market. Ahmed grows his business through concepts like Istisna'a, and so can you.